This time we're fucking right up on their ass. So when we get off, I want to get out through this back door and go to the fucking level behind this engine, and then we'll climb down back there.
Brenda, why don't you take a video of this?
I am.
All right. Here, get right up front. Look at this. We're going through Conroe. Oh, shit. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Riding in the engine.
I don't know how about well it's gonna
Like
come
some
out.
fucking gangsters. It's alright, fuck them. Fuck the Facebook police. You're shining a lot of fucking light around back here.
It don't matter. This motherfucker's lit up. It's crazy. We're going through a trailer park.
Yeah, there's that.
No,
We got a lot of lights right here.
They ain't fucking looking. No, they ain't fucking.
Like I said, when I was riding and it was fucking 20 fucking degrees, I was not fucking